Hi everybody, today I will show you how to replace broken screen for the Dell 15 inch. So the first you need to have the screen. I bought this screen from laptopscreen.com. You can see right here, laptopscreen.com. So this is a good company I use for my business. I bought a lot from them. I have no problem. So let's do it. The first time you need to open the frame. That's easy. You can use your finger ring to open it. You can see it. You can see. Just use your finger ring and strip it out. You don't need to open completely the bottom, the underneath. Just like this, you can see it. You don't need to open it because it's quite tricky to remove all the frame. And you can see right here, this is the connector screen. Look, this screen from laptopscreen.com, and I connect it into the flex cable. You need to have the tape to secure the connector after you connect it into the laptop, because if you don't have it, sometimes when you open the laptop, someday it can disconnect, and you don't want to have the trouble if the client come back. Sorry about the noise, that's my kid. And just you see here, that's the tape the tape I'm using for. Just cut a little bit. See, this is tape. Captain tape. Just a little bit to secure the flex cable. That's quite tricky, so be careful. Don't open it too wide, because you can break the frame. And right now you just need to install the screen. And first, before you screw on the screw, you need to check the screen first to make sure the screen working well, no problem. Because one time you move the sticker film, protector film, you cannot return them. I'm not sure, but you should check it before. And right now I will plug it in to the power supply. It should work. And turn on. Okay, you can see here I have the Dell logo. And look, you just need to force screw to install the screen, and the job done. That's easy. So I will mute right now. I just let you listen to the music. Okay, thanks a lot. Please watch and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks a lot. Hmy Multiservices Montreal.